Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will teach you how to use and install chatgpt in your iPhone and iOS device. Guys, it is very simple method. Please watch this video carefully. Guys, first of all, open Safari application appears on screen here, and guys, search here chatgpt. Tap on it, chatgpt. Here, tap on first website, chatgpt openai.com. Wait for a few seconds. Here guys, this is the interface of ChatGPT. Scroll down, tap on try ChatGPT and wait for a few seconds. Guys, first of all, create account, tap on sign up, and I have already account. Simply I am tapping on login, and you can see guys, this is the interface after logging and or create account. Guys, search here and you want to get information or article or video script. Let me show you. I am searching how to use iPhone first. After writing, tap on this arrow, and guys, he is giving all this information how to use. First time you can see appears on screen, and simply tap on stop. And guys, how to install in your iPhone on your home screen. Guys, simply tap on this arrow, you can see appear on screen. Tap on it here, and wait for a few seconds and scroll up, and here to add to home screen, tap on it. Guys, this is the best method. Here, type here your name chat gpt, and now simply tap on add. You can see top right corner here. Guys, this is the add in your home screen successfully. You can see I have two, this one and this one. You can see, tap on it. Guys, this is the interface, and this is how to install by this method. You can see appears on screen. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.